color isn't just an option or an extra add-on that you can pick because it's something that you prefer. I mean, it can be, but it's also a lot more than that. It's a reflection of what you believe and who you are. And there's a lot of emotional attachment. So when you see particular colors, they make you feel a certain way, they change how you experience and interact with everything in your life. And one of the biggest challenges with technology today is capturing the human element to make the experience more real and authentic. And that's where color becomes a link between taking something that was created for everyone and allowing it to be personalized for you. Ultimately, when devices like the Surface Laptop 5 are created, the design teams spend countless hours on figuring out how is this going to fit into different lifestyles? How will something like this become a part of different personalities? Because of the current state of the digital landscape, in some way or another, everyone has an opportunity to express themselves in some type of way. So if you're a fashion designer or a videographer or a photographer or even a coding engineer, whatever it might be, finding your creative voice is the best part about being a creator, and a lot of us choose to do that with color. The way you dress is an expression of your identity. The car you drive is an expression of your identity. The food you choose to eat is an expression of your identity. And the tools you work and create with are most definitely an expression of your identity. And there are a few different ways to personalize your Surface Laptop 5 to give it that custom look and feel and just, make it more you. First, let's look at color. And there are a couple timeless color choices, so of course, we must start with those. You've got platinum, if you're looking for a more refined taste, something that displays simplicity and sophistication. You have black, which is going to show off that classic aesthetic look, perfect for someone looking to highlight their professionalism. But let's say you're looking for something a bit more vibrant. With its cool and calming look to match your favorite style, sage green has become the popular go-to choice, especially amongst many of today's creatives. And then of course, we have the warm toned sandstone to round out the rest of the color options. So, you've dialed in the look of your brand new Surface device. It's starting to look and feel a bit more you, but we're not quite there yet, because when it comes to personalization, there are more things to consider than just the color. Let's say you prefer a soft, warm feel. On fabric versions of the Surface Laptop 5, the metal chassis and Alcantara keyboard blend together perfectly. The Alcantara is crafted in such a way that it captures the same hue as the aluminium, creating a premium, seamless device aesthetic. So you can choose your material and make your device an extension of your own style. Or perhaps you're like me and you genuinely enjoy the feel of cool metal at your fingertips. If that's the case, you can choose a Surface Laptop 5 in full premium aluminium. The smooth metal exterior is anodized for easy recycling and a brighter finish. Edgy and very cool, Surface Laptop 5 is thoughtfully designed so you can do it all in style. And what about screen size? When it comes to picking a laptop screen size, there's no right or wrong answer. Some people might want a large display for gaming, creating, or productivity, or others might prefer the greater portability of a smaller device. While all Surface laptops are easy to carry, some are more portable than others. When considering portability, think about overall size including weight. Laptops with larger screen sizes have a larger size in general and typically weigh more. If you're constantly on the go, you might want to opt for a Surface Laptop 5 with a 13.5-inch display. Or if portability isn't a top priority, then there's also the 15-inch option for split-screen multitasking and full creative immersion. No matter what laptop screen size you choose, Surface laptops are designed to adapt to your needs, making it easier to work, play, and create. And personalization extends beyond the physical attributes of a device. Yes, you can pick the color, the feel, and the size of your Surface device. But how can we continue to create something that is an extension of your style and personality? Well, for starters, there are a bunch of creative themes that allow you to pick a combination of wallpapers, sounds, and colors, and together, they give your Windows desktop more personality. There is absolutely no way we are going to talk about personalization without talking about accessories. You can personalize your laptop experience further by having the right accessories to make your Surface Laptop 5 your own. It could be something like the Surface Slim Pen 2, our best performing pen yet, with real-time writing, pinpoint accuracy, and incredible shading thanks to a sharper pen tip and improved design. The haptic motor in Surface Slim Pen 2 brings the natural feel of writing and drawing on paper to your PC screen. But I'd have to say, pairing with the Surface Arc mouse is my personal favorite. It's great for portability, it's designed to fit right in the palm of your hand, and snaps flat to easily fit in your bag. Accessibility features are at the heart of what makes Surface Laptop 5 a great option for everyone. If it's tough to see what's on your screen, try using color filters. These filters change the colors you see, making it easier to tell things apart when they look similar. You can also improve text readability by using contrast themes on your Surface and replace challenging color combinations with stronger contrasts. You can even customize the colors, especially if default themes don't suit your needs. And if you often lose where you are typing, make your text cursor more visible by changing its color and size in the accessibility settings. Now, it's important to talk about the keyboard. Surface technicians and designers are thoughtfully considering factors such as sound, corner feel, typing, and accuracy when it comes to designing a high-performance keyboard. The dedication reflected in countless hours of focus indicates what the team behind the impressive Surface Laptop 5 strive to deliver, which is an exceptional product for users who want the complete Surface experience. Because if your creativity knows no bounds, then neither should your laptop. Embrace the power of color and self-expression when choosing your next device. And remember, you have the freedom to express yourself boldly through the choices you make. You can get the size you want, as well as the material and the colors and the feel you like. So stay colorful and stay inspired.